Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got only this 1993 still Honda Civic, and we are going to replace the transmission fluid. We are not busy today, so just a fluid replacement. So I already removed the tire. So the location of your transmission dipstick is right here, the yellow one right here. Let's see there you go. Not sure if it's already, it seems like not that dark though, but it should be. Let me wipe it on my gloves. Holy crap, it's black. I'll show you the new one. Oh, that's the new one, genuine DW1. Put this. Oh, let's see the color. Hold on. So it's the old one, it's the new one. What? Look at the difference. Oh yeah, it's already dirty. We have to replace it. So location of your drain plug is right there. See that? Right there. So passenger side, I think that we can use a 3/8 ratchet. So let's do it. Right. So let's drain this one. So these are the days that we are really, very slow. This is not interesting video, but well, better than nothing. So we're using, what's this, 3/8 ratchet. Oh boy, let me go on the other side. Okay, all right. Oh boy, oh boy, it's tight. There you go. Alright. Let's see it. There we go. Let's remove it. Ooh. So we got only this for today. Wow. Look at this. It's very dirty. Look at the drain plug. It's really dirty. And let it drain. Alright, so again guys, these are the days that we are not really that busy. So the owner just, give us a go signal to change the transmission fluid. This is only one bolt, 3/8 ratchet. We use 3/8 ratchet, and that's it. And according to the owner's manual, we are using 3.2 quarts, I think. You can always check Google, but I bet you that that is not a 3.3 quarts, not even the 3 quarts. So according to Google, we need 2.5 2.5 quarts, US quarts, automatic transmission. Oh yeah, and also here it says 2.5 quarts right there. It seems like every one of them agreed with the 2.5 quarts for 1993 on the Civic automatic transmission. Oh yeah, so we will be putting 2.5. Alright, so let's put back this drain plug. Alright. That's it. Alright, it's going up. Don't over tighten it. Okay. Alright, that's it. And then let's put 2.5 quarts over here. Alright, so we're using this funnel on the hole. There we go. Double check, hold on. Yeah, it's in. So now let's put 2.5 quarts full synthetic. There you go. One. So one more, and then half of this quart, 1 quart. All right. Second one. This is one of the easiest transmission fluid replacement. Only 1 bolt, 2.5 quarts, that's it. Alright, then half a quart. Hold on. So half a quart, so you can check it here. So it should be in here, 500. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just eyeball it. More. Little bit more. There you go. 500. Just a little. There you go. Alright, that's it. Done. Now let's start the car. Of course, let's remove this and put this, gauge or dipstick. Let's start the car. And check for the leaks. No leak. Alright. We got another customer coming in, so I'm just gonna finish this, and that's it. That's how you replace a transmission fluid for 1993 Honda Civic. So if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below. Consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.